Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi everyone, my name is Ravi Ashok Gurav. Subject name is Fundamental of Mechatronics. Project name is Transducer and my seat number is 303811. Of project guidance is Professor Roshan Rathod. Project group details: कांबळे मयूर रमेश, गुरव रवी अशोक, वाघमारे सिद्धार्थ संजय, प्रसाद दुर्गा हरी. Content: Project abstract, introduction, type of transducer, picture of transducer, work from transducer, conclusion. Project abstract: transducer are electric or electronic device that transform energy from one manifestation into another. Most people, when they think of transducer, think specifically of device that perform this transformation in order to gather or transform information, but really anything that converts energy can be considered as transducer. Introduction: Transducers are the mechanical, electrical, electronic or electromechanical device that convert one from one the energy or the property that cannot be measured directly into the other from one energy or property that can be measured easily. The signal given the transducer is called as input. This is the parameter that is to be measured but cannot be measured directly. The signal obtained from the transducer is called as output, which can be measured easily. Types of transducer: primary transducer change real world parameter into electrical signal. Secondary transducer convert electrical signal into analog or digital value. Picture of transducer. What is a transducer? Electrical for you. Work of transducer: it changes the real world parameter into electrical signal. It converts electrical signal into analog or digital values. There are numerous types of transducers and they have different types of application. Let us see the example of use of transducer for different application. Conclusion: measuring any physical quantity with a electrical transducer is very easy and convenient. The electrical transducer illustrates the concept of measurement of any physical quantity, which can be extremely accurate by means by a transducer. A complex electrical quantity such as watt can be measured at a convenient location. For remote indication of watt or var, a transducer can reduce the number of signal wire to be divided between source and indicator from as many as 9 to 2. Hence, it can be reduced the cost of project to a large extent. Thank you very much. By Ravi Guru.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.